Okay, parents, I decided to make a video to help aid you guys with helping your kids do these area and perimeter problems for a complex shape. So here I have a shape. It's a typical shape that I would do with the kids. It's an L shape. So I'm going to go ahead and find the perimeter of this shape. So I have two sides that are missing. I have this side and this side. To find the perimeter of the shape, I need to find all the sides to get what the perimeter is. So I'm going to start with this side. So an easy way is to draw a little line here. I know that this side isn't 7, but it's going to, this side is 7. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take the number 7 and subtract this 2, and I'd be left with what this side is. So I'm going to take the 7, and as you can see, subtract what that 2 is, which is right here, and I'm going to get what this side is. So 7 take away 2 is 5 centimeters. So when we add 5 plus 2, we're going to get what this side is. Same thing for this bottom side, except I'm not going to subtract. I'm going to look. I'm going to just make a box up here. I'm going to just look at what two numbers would add to give me what this side is. I see that I have a 3 and a 4. They're both facing the same way. If I were to just take this line off, and move this up, it would be 4 plus 3, which would give me 7 centimeters. So perimeter is fairly easy to solve. You go ahead and you add up all those numbers, and when you add it up, you should come up with 28 centimeters. Area is a little more difficult. So area, I'm going to break my shape up. I drew a line here, and I'm going to find the area of this shape and this shape. So for my first shape, I need to find the length and the width. I know that the length is not going to be 7 because 7 is this entire side. My length for this shape is just 2. So I'm going to write 2 centimeters times my width, which would be 4 centimeters. I know it's not 7. 7 is too wide. Times 4 centimeters. And I'm putting it in the box to help me remember what two numbers I multiplied together. 4 times 2 is 8 centimeters. For my second shape, I'm going to look again at what my length and my width is. I know my length isn't 4. 4 is just this little piece. And I know it's not 3, but it is 4 plus 3 right here where we put our 7. It's the 7. So 7 times my height, my length times width. 7 times 5 equals 35 centimeters. Now, the problem's not done there. What you have to do is you have to add both of them. We're going to add the area of this plus the area of this to give us the combined area. So when you add 8 plus 35, you get 43 square centimeters.